Hi guys! Welcome to Zandrix World at nandito na naman tayo. So nakapag-unbox na tayo ng mga toys. So ito yan sila. Si Little McDonald's Happy Meal. So the 10 toys are still yan, ando sila. Ando pa na sila. So ngayon, ang gagawin naman natin dito. So this is now part 3. Gagawin natin is we're gonna do the scan to play dito sa for this Happy Meal release, and we're gonna use our smartphone to do this. All right, so yeah, let's just make sure na naka-on ang ating internet kasi no last time na ginawa natin ito naka-off na naman yung internet. All right, so let's open your camera here, and this is the box nung toy number 10, the takeout bag. And then this is the scan to play. So i-scan mo lang yan gamit ang iyong phone. And bago natin ito ipindutin, wag niyo kalimutan na mag-subscribe sa channel natin, Zandrix World. Alright, subscribe po tayo and mag-share, mag-like ng ating mga videos. And thank you so much for supporting us, and we love you so much. So let's start. Oh, and don't forget to follow our social media accounts on Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok. Alright, scan to play na talaga. Okay, there you go. One more. Alright. Oh. It did not work. Okay. So scan to play. Oh, there you are. Okay. So there you go. Ayan, Little McDonald's. Ito ng konting volume. Not too much kasi last time nung ginawa ko yung Sonic, na copyright tayo. Dahil dun sa music, background music ng Sonic. Kaya ano nangyari? Wala namang volume this time. Okay. Rotate your device to landscape. Oh. Well, sabi niya, rotate the device. Rotate naman na. Oh, there you go. Hindi ganun na. Okay. Naan natin. Okay, there. Little McDonald's. Let's play. Okay, select character. Okay. This one. Alright, there you go. Hindi na naman yung dog ng kapitbahay. Hindi na naman siya. Okay, you will have 2 minutes 30 seconds of time. Send out as many orders as you can. Oh, okay. Welcome. Grab price order tapping on the location. On the station. All items will be placed in the Happy Meal box. Oh, okay. Awesome. Order. Send some order to the drive-thru. Okay. You will gain 5 seconds for every correct order. Okay. Alright, so let's start. Ano na? Price? Ano bang order? Hindi ko makita kung anong order ng customer. Ito. Nakita mo dito may order yung customer. Yung nuggets. Ito yung nuggets. Where's the nuggets? This one? Oh, there you go. You lose 2 seconds for wrong items. You get and try again. Okay. Okay, so water. May bottled water ba dito sa atin? Yung bansa ba to? US. Alright, so dali mo na dito. Very good. Okay, what's the order? May laman na yun. Yung mga green. Yung mga naka-green. Ito, ano na yun, nakuha na. Ito, there's the robot. Okay, pick it up and put it here. Very nice. And next, the more orders you finish, the more stars you'll earn. Okay, with the robot, come here. Okay. Oh. Ano dun? Get the price. Put it here. Naan natin ang music. Okay. Ayan. Oh! No! Hindi mo kinuha. Oh my gosh. There. Put it there. Alright. Okay, so the price. Put it here. Get the nuggets. Put it here. And don't know what that is, but get the blue one. And put it here. And get the bottled water. Put it here. Put it here. Then, oh, we have only 30 seconds. Get the robot. Put it there. Get it. Put it here, the drive-thru. So we're getting the hang of it. Alright, so ganun mukhang matapalo tayo. Price. Bakit mo gumalaw kasi? Yung bago pa rin kasi pumindot kanina. Ayan. Hindi. Oh my gosh. Hindi kaya abot. Alright, time is up. Okay. Bye. Yeah. Fantastic. Okay, new character. So, yun na siya. Yun na yung scan to play. There you have it, guys. So, yan. Pili lang kayo ng character and then start and play the game. Okay? So, yun. Ito ulit natin. Let's choose this one. So, you have 2 minutes 30 seconds. Kailangan mo mapuno tong stars. Ganyan dito. So, there's a timer. There's, ito yung order sa top. Yung price, McNuggets, and this blue one. I'm not sure what that is. Oh, okay. Resume. 3, 2, 1. So, yung blue one, then the bottled water, then the robot, yung toy. So, yung mga wala pang green, yun yung kailangan mong kunin. Nilagay mo siya dito sa Happy Meal box isa-isa. And then you put the Happy Meal box into the drive-thru para makakuha ka ng points. So, kapag daw tama ang order, you get 2 seconds. And pag mali, tama ba? 2 seconds? 5 seconds. Pero pag may mali, may bawas din na sa seconds. So, ganun siya kasimple. And, yeah, enjoy ang paglalaro itong scan to play for Little McDonald's. Alright, so thank you so much. So, yun na lang muna. So, yeah, I'm so happy dito sa ating unbox ng mga toys at dito sa scan to play. Ayan, ganyan kasimple. So, McDonald's made it a lot more interactive. Pero sana, sabi ko nga kanina, yung play place, hinahanap natin sa McDonald's para more engaging sa mga bata instead of digital. Kasi digital, pag too much exposed sa gadget, ang mga bata ngayon, hindi masyadong maganda ang effect. So, based from experience. Ayan, so ganyan siya. Thank you so much sa panonood sa ating mga videos. And this is the final part. We'll also do a different video for the book, of course. Pero iba kasi siya. So, the book is gonna be separate video. Haven't done it. Ang dami pa nating box na i-unbox. So, marami pa rin tayong items na i-unbox. Other toys and throwback toys. So, continue to create these amazing videos for you. At sana patuloy kayong mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel. And, sa channel namin ay Zan Drake's World. And follow our social media accounts in Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and X. And see you next time for the next unboxing video. And thank you so much sa support ninyo. We love you guys, and yeah, happy eating sa McDonald's and happy collecting. Alright, bye!